Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your ultimate guide to transforming your living spaces, both indoors and out. Today, we're stepping outside to explore a truly remarkable feature that can elevate your outdoor living experience, the pergola deck design. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've ever dreamt of an elegant, shaded retreat right in your backyard, then this video is for you. We'll delve into everything you need to know about pergola deck designs, from their fundamental meaning to innovative ways to decorate them, and we'll even share 10 stunning design ideas that are trending for 2025. A pergola deck design essentially combines the functionality and appeal of a deck with the architectural beauty and partial shade provided by a pergola. To elaborate, a deck serves as an elevated, flat outdoor living area, often extending from the house. A pergola, on the other hand, is an outdoor structure typically consisting of vertical posts or columns that support an open roof of crossbeams and a sturdy open lattice. When these two elements are integrated, you create a defined outdoor room on your deck, offering a unique blend of open-air enjoyment and sheltered comfort. Unlike a fully enclosed gazebo, a pergola's open roof structure allows for varied degrees of sunlight and airflow, making it ideal for those who desire partial shade without completely blocking out the sky. It's a structure that adds significant architectural interest, defines a specific zone on your deck, and provides a framework for various decorative elements, from climbing plants to lighting. The advantages of incorporating a pergola into your deck design are numerous and highly impactful on your outdoor lifestyle and property value. Firstly, and perhaps most immediately noticeable, is the enhanced comfort through shade. While not completely blocking the sun, the open lattice of a pergola provides a significant reduction in direct sun exposure, making your deck far more enjoyable during hot afternoons. This partial shade creates a cooler microclimate, perfect for relaxation, dining, or entertaining. Secondly, a pergola dramatically boosts the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space. It introduces an elegant architectural element, transforming a simple deck into a sophisticated outdoor room. Whether you opt for a classic wooden design or a sleek, modern metal structure, a pergola adds visual interest and a focal point to your backyard. This improved aesthetics can significantly increase your property's value and curb appeal, making it a desirable feature for potential homebuyers. Thirdly, pergolas are excellent for defining outdoor spaces. On a large, open deck, a pergola can delineate a specific area for dining, lounging, or even an outdoor kitchen, creating a sense of intimacy and purpose without fully enclosing the space. This clear zoning enhances the functionality of your deck, allowing for multiple activities to coexist harmoniously. Finally, pergolas offer a superb framework for privacy and greenery. You can easily incorporate climbing plants like wisteria or grapevines, which not only add natural beauty and fragrance but also increase the level of shade and privacy as they grow. Additionally, curtains, shade sails, or lattice panels can be added to the sides for further seclusion from neighbors or the elements. This adaptability makes a pergola a versatile and valuable addition to any deck. Decorating your pergola deck is where your personal style truly comes to life. The key is to blend functionality with aesthetics to create an inviting and comfortable outdoor retreat. Start with lighting. This is crucial for extending the usability of your pergola into the evening hours and creating a magical ambience. String lights draped across the beams are a popular choice, offering a warm and festive glow. Consider solar-powered options for an eco-friendly and easy installation. Hanging lanterns or even an outdoor chandelier can add a touch of sophistication. Integrated LED strips along the beams can provide subtle, modern illumination. Next, introduce textiles to add softness, color, and comfort. Outdoor curtains hung from the pergola beams can provide privacy, block the sun from specific angles, and add a luxurious, resort-like feel. Choose weather-resistant fabrics that can withstand the elements. Outdoor rugs are fantastic for defining the space, adding warmth underfoot, and introducing patterns or textures that complement your overall design scheme. Don't forget an abundance of outdoor cushions and throw pillows on your seating for maximum comfort and a pop of color. Finally, select furniture and accessories that are not only durable and weather-resistant but also align with your desired aesthetic. Consider comfortable outdoor sofas, lounge chairs, and a dining set if you plan to host meals. Accent tables, outdoor art, and decorative sculptures can personalize the space. Even small details like wind chimes, outdoor mirrors to amplify light, or a stylish outdoor bar cart can significantly enhance the overall look and feel of your pergola deck. When selecting items for your pergola deck design, the focus should be on durability, functionality, and how they contribute to the overall aesthetic and comfort of your outdoor living space. The best items will depend on your specific needs and style, but here are some universally impactful elements. First, weather-resistant outdoor furniture. This is paramount. Invest in furniture made from materials like treated wood like teak or cedar, aluminum, wrought iron, or high-quality all-weather wicker. Ensure cushions are made with outdoor-grade, quick-drying fabrics. Second, outdoor lighting. Beyond string lights, consider solar pathway lights, LED strip lighting, or even a statement outdoor pendant light or fan with integrated lighting. Proper lighting extends the usability of your space and creates ambience. Third, shade solutions. While the pergola provides partial shade, augmenting it with retractable canopies, shade sails, or outdoor curtains can offer more control over sun exposure and privacy, particularly during peak sun hours. Fourth, climbing plants or vines. These are perhaps the most organic and visually appealing additions. Wisteria, clematis, bougainvillea, or even edible grapevines transform your pergola into a living, breathing structure. Fifth, outdoor rugs. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, an outdoor rug grounds your seating or dining area, defines the space, and adds a layer of comfort and style. Sixth, outdoor heating elements. For cooler evenings, a fire pit, but ensure it's safe for deck use and positioned appropriately. Outdoor heaters, or even a chimenea can make your pergola deck usable for more seasons. Seventh, decorative planters and pots. These allow you to introduce color, texture, and various plant life, even if you don't have climbing vines. Choose planters that complement your pergola's material and style. Eighth, privacy screens or lattice panels. If your pergola deck is in a less private area, adding decorative lattice panels or screen elements to one or more sides can create a more secluded feel. Ninth, sound systems. Consider weather-resistant outdoor speakers to enjoy music or podcasts while relaxing or entertaining on your deck. 10th, water features. A small, self-contained outdoor fountain can add a soothing auditory element and a touch of tranquility to your pergola space. Now, let's move on to the exciting part. Inspiration. For those looking to create or update their outdoor sanctuary, here are 10 of the best pergola deck design ideas that are currently captivating homeowners and designers alike, with a keen eye on 2025 trends. 1. Modern minimalist deck pergola with integrated lighting. This design emphasizes clean lines, simple forms, and often uses materials like aluminum or powder-coated steel. The roof typically features sleek, adjustable louvered slats or a solid, yet minimalist, canopy. Integrated LED strip lighting along the beams creates a sophisticated glow, perfect for evening gatherings without visible wires. The overall look is understated, chic, and focuses on functionality and a seamless blend with contemporary architecture. 2. Rustic wood beam deck pergola with climbing vines. Embracing natural beauty, this design features substantial, exposed wooden beams, often in darker stains or natural finishes like cedar or redwood. The charm comes from cultivating climbing vines such as wisteria, grapevines, or robust roses that entwine around the structure, providing a living canopy. This creates a deeply organic, inviting, and shaded space that feels harmonious with a natural garden setting. 3. Attached pergola as a deck extension. This design seamlessly extends your indoor living space outwards. The pergola is directly affixed to your home, often matching the existing architecture in terms of material and color palette. It provides a direct transition from an interior room to a shaded outdoor area, effectively enlarging your usable living space and creating a cohesive flow between indoors and out. 4. Freestanding deck pergola over a dedicated lounge zone. For larger decks, a freestanding pergola can define a specific zone, such as a cozy outdoor lounge or a separate conversation area. This allows for flexibility in deck layout and creates a distinct room without being physically connected to the house. Decorate with plush outdoor sofas, a coffee table, and an outdoor rug to complete the dedicated relaxation spot. 5. Pergola deck with retractable canopy system. Offering ultimate flexibility, this design incorporates a fabric canopy that can be manually or electronically retracted. This allows you to easily adjust the amount of sun or shade, or even provide protection from light rain. It's a highly practical option that adapts to changing weather conditions and personal preferences throughout the day. 6. Pergola deck with privacy screens or lattice panels. Ideal for decks that require more seclusion, this design integrates decorative privacy screens or lattice panels on one or more sides of the pergola. These panels can be solid, slatted, or patterned, offering a stylish way to block views from neighbors or create a more intimate atmosphere. They also provide excellent support for vertical gardens or additional climbing plants. 7. Pergola deck with outdoor kitchen integration. Elevate your entertaining by designing a pergola that shelters a full outdoor kitchen setup. This includes space for a grill, counter space, a sink, and potentially a refrigerator. The pergola provides essential shade for cooking and dining, making it comfortable to prepare and enjoy meals outdoors, rain or shine. 8. Pergola deck with fire pit or fireplace feature. Create a warm and inviting ambience for evening gatherings by incorporating a fire pit or outdoor fireplace directly under or adjacent to your pergola. The pergola adds a structural element that frames the fire feature, making it a natural gathering point and extending the usability of your deck into cooler evenings. Always ensure proper safety clearances for fire features. 9. Two-tone pergola design. This contemporary approach uses different colors or materials for the main structure and the accents. For example, a dark-colored metal frame with lighter wooden slats on top, or vice versa. This creates visual interest and a sophisticated, layered look, allowing for more creative expression in material combinations. 10. Pergola with Mediterranean or Bohemian influences. For a more exotic or relaxed vibe, consider incorporating elements like sheer white or brightly colored drapes, intricately patterned outdoor rugs, and decorative hanging lanterns or macrame. This style often uses distressed wood or wrought iron, paired with lush potted plants and comfortable, low-slung seating to evoke a holiday feel. As you can see, a pergola deck design is far more than just a shade structure. It's an investment in your lifestyle, an enhancement to your property, and a canvas for your personal style. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look or a rustic, vine-covered retreat, the possibilities for creating your dream outdoor space are truly limitless. We hope this deep dive into pergola deck designs has inspired you to consider this fantastic addition to your own home. Remember, outdoor spaces are an extension of your living areas and deserve just as much attention to detail as your interiors. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert tips and inspiring ideas on creating the home of your dreams. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. What's your favorite pergola deck design idea? Let us know in the comments below, we love hearing from you.